One Sam.
Congrats.
Did you have a call from the via 484?
Negative, sir.
21. Sarah, could you give them a 1021 and ask them?
Affirm. Other unit, you were covered.
21, I just found a foot pursuit.
That copy split pursuit. Go ahead with the 1020.
Big D and Garvey. He ran underneath the freeway towards appears to be like a sewer line.
Sample 24, next click 21, please.
24, I'm 97 at the south side of the freeway at the watch.
The other side of the freeway.
Tonight to Air 44.
3 Alpha, copy, alright.
Units, sir.
Walmart. He had like 3 bags full of merchandise. 21 continuing. Can you advise what's on the other side of the freeway of the street? It's gonna be maybe Dalwood or...
24, I've got him. He's running southbound on Delwood. Or, I'm sorry, southbound BP from Delwood.
Check copy south on BP from Dalwood.
And he just at the corner. Code 3 back. 22, I'm carrying assisted. I'm responding code 3. BP and Clark now.
Tonight copies 22, your route code 3.
3, I'm almost 97. I'll handle the code 3 from Vineland and Garvey.
22, reduce your code. 23, you're almost 97. Copy code 3.
And I was one gunpoint.
Copy, I was one at gunpoint. Tonight is 1033.
We're in the southwest corner behind a Toyota SUV.
397 to Andy. Advise this Pacific 1020.
I'm right here by my car on the right side of it, behind this silver car. And we're code 4. He's hooked up now.
The 29 copies of Dalewood and Big Dalton code 429 is clearly 1033 at 12:21 hours.